In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without AI. To get started, head over to wix.com and click Get Started. From there, you can either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. After you are inside Wix, click Create New Site. At this point, Wix will usually try to guide you toward using its AI chat assistant to build the site for you, since the goal here is to create the website manually. Look for the option that says Setup without AI or Setup without chat, and select that. This makes sure you stay in full control of the design process from the beginning. Next, Wix will ask you a few basic questions, such as the purpose of your website, and it may also ask what features you want to include. Like a blog, an online store, or a booking tool, just choose the options that match what you want your site to do. After that, give it a moment to load, and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Once you arrive there, click Design Site to continue. Now, you will have the choice between generating a design automatically or choosing one yourself. Make sure you Pick a template. This is the best option if you want to avoid AI completely and build with a more hands-on approach. Wix offers hundreds of professionally designed templates, so take your time browsing. You can filter by category, such as business, portfolio, blog, or online store, to narrow things down and find a style that fits your vision. When you find one you like, click Edit. Once you enter the Wix editor, you can start customizing everything manually. This is where you get complete creative control. On the left-hand side, click the Pages and Menu icon to add, delete, or rearrange pages like Home, About, or Contact. If you want to place new content onto the page, click the Add Element button shown as the plus icon. From there, you can insert text, images, buttons, shapes, and more exactly where you want them. You can also hover over sections already on the page to change backgrounds, edit text, or resize elements by clicking and dragging. If you want your site to feel consistent, use the Site Design tab on the left to set your main colors and fonts across the whole website. Before you publish, switch to the mobile view by clicking the mobile icon at the top of the screen. Wix usually makes the layout mobile-friendly automatically, but it's still important to review it. You can adjust spacing, hide elements, and rearrange items for mobile without changing the desktop version. Once everything looks right on both desktop and mobile, click Publish in the top right corner. Then choose whether to use a free Wix domain or upgrade to connect a custom domain. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.